Embarking on a road trip or a camping adventure in the great outdoors is a thrilling prospect, but with a multitude of travel trailers available, choosing the perfect one can be a daunting task. Let's see which one suits you the most. Imagine a travel trailer born from the minds of individuals who've previously contributed their talents to tech giants like Tesla, Volvo, Apple, and Lucid Motors. That's the brainchild of PBLE Flow, a California-based startup making waves in the RV industry. The trailer boasts an incredibly aerodynamic design, a well-thought-out floor plan for up to 4 occupants, and a plethora of smart features as standard. Connectivity is key, and PBLE Flow doesn't disappoint. Starlink connected and equipped with a dedicated app, you can control all interior systems with a few taps on your smartphone. The automatic hitch system, aptly named the Magic Hitch, simplifies deployment with features like insta-Camp, which effortlessly deploys steps, awnings, and levels the trailer at the push of a button. Despite its fully loaded weight of around 6,200 pounds, the Flow gives the illusion of weightlessness, making it compatible with a range of electric vehicles. Inside, the Flow offers all the amenities you'd expect for a comfortable stay. 7 days of great rest, a 45 kilowatt-hour battery, 1 kilowatt of solar power, and a 37-gallon fresh water supply. The fusion of technology and comfort makes PBLE Flow a standout in the 2024 lineup. The Brooder EXP7, hailing from the land down under, is a testament to Australian ingenuity in the realm of travel trailers. Measuring a substantial 23 feet, it positions itself just below the flagship model in Brooder's lineup. Tailored for more moderate climates, the EXP7 places a significant emphasis on outdoor cooking. The two-way slide-out kitchen setup includes an outdoor access pantry hatch, a kitchen countertop, a portable dual-burner induction cooktop, a sink, and both indoor and outdoor fridge freezers. Brooder's commitment to robust design is evident in the EXP7's features, including an airtight square tube chassis, marine-grade closed-cell composite body, and a patented air suspension system with 2 monotub remote canister shocks at each wheel. The electrical system is equally impressive, featuring a 10.8 kilowatt-hour lithium battery bank, a 3 kilowatt inverter, solar panels, and a power management system. For those seeking additional luxuries, optional upgrades like a sound system, Starlink internet prep package, and a high-definition smart TV are available. ARB, a well-known company that makes things for traveling by land for 50 years, has now created a new type of travel trailer called the Earth Camper. This in-house built trailer is the result of 7 years of meticulous development. The Earth Camper, a 15-foot trailer, is equipped with a 3-part independent trailing arm suspension and a patented exoframe. The latter, a welded one-piece mandrel bent steel tube skeleton, ensures durability for hardcore off-roading. The entire frame undergoes a 3-fold coating process to withstand various weather conditions. Breaking away from traditional materials, the Earth features a spherical fiberglass shell insulated with foam. A rear hatch, electrically deployable in under a minute, serves as a solid upper surface for the annex tent. Inside, the Earth Camper provides comfort with a queen-size 6-inch foam mattress, 12-volt LED interior lighting, a radar command screen, and multiple USB and 240-volt outlets. The side galley offers a 49-inch L-shaped cooking area with a 3-burner stove, sink, and a 96-liter zero dual-zone fridge freezer. Ensuring a steady supply of water and electricity, the Earth Camper includes dual 70-liter water tanks and a 120-watt solar panel powering a 100-amp-hour lithium battery. ARB's foray into camper production showcases their expertise in combining functionality with innovation. Airstream, a name synonymous with classic design, introduces the latest addition to its lineup, the Tradewind. This 26-foot towable camper embraces Airstream's iconic aluminum bodywork and includes standard off-road equipment. Geared for family adventures, the Tradewind features a 3-inch lift kit, rock guards, and 29-inch Goodyear Wrangler Warthog tires. Underneath its classic exterior, this Airstream incorporates modern elements such as a heated chassis, integrated battery bank with an 810-amp capacity, a 3-kilowatt inverter, and a 600-watt solar panel mounted on the roof. The Tradewind Caravan boasts features like extreme AC, 39-gallon fresh and wastewater tanks, and a 30 kV2 furnace. Aero, a Dutch specialist in trailers and awnings, introduces a distinctive camping trailer with multi-directional expansion capabilities, the Aero Cabin 1. Despite its modest length of 17.4 feet, the Cabin 1 stands out for its expandable design. The base weight of 2,000 pounds makes it compatible with various towing vehicles, including electric cars. While the Aero Cabin 1 lacks a bathroom, it caters to couples who prefer setting up base camp in areas with developed camping facilities. Its innovative design and compact luxury make it a standout option for those seeking a unique camping experience. Hailing from Japan, the X-Cabin 300 by the LED lighting and clockwork company Effect Fact MG Corporation draws inspiration from classic Airstream caravans. However, it adds a touch of industrial aesthetics, mimicking the appearance of a commercial cargo trailer. Mounted on an Alco galvanized steel chassis, the X-Cabin 300 keeps its weight down to 1,650 pounds. Buyers can choose between double doors or a tailgate at the rear, with 3 distinct floor plans available. AeroBuild takes the plunge into the realm of luxury RVs with the Coast Model 1, an all-electric marvel designed for modern travelers seeking a zero-emission camping experience. Boasting impressive off-grid capacity, the Coast Model 1 comes equipped with a standard electric package consisting of 3 270 batteries totaling 80 amp-hours. The power generated is managed by dual 3-kilowatt inverters, ensuring a reliable and sustainable power supply. The roof of the trailer is adorned with a substantial array of solar panels totaling 1,360 watts. This might not sound excessive until you delve into the list of onboard electric equipment. Comfort during colder weather is ensured by dual 500-watt heaters and a 132 kBTU air conditioner. The trailer is also equipped with a cooked-up microwave, a residential fridge from Smag, 2 32-inch Samsung Smart TVs, a Sony soundbar, Starlink connectivity, and 3 interactive touchscreen panels for controlling the travel experience. If you like the video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel. After more than a decade since the initial announcement, New Zealand-based manufacturer Roto is finally accepting orders for its unique rotating camper, the 30-foot Tromo T8. This camper consists of 2 main parts: the outer element sitting on a fixed chassis, and the inner section connected to a hydraulic rotation system and a 200 amp-hour lithium battery. With the push of a button, the inner section can swivel to a 90-degree position, creating a covered patio area. For those seeking a smaller travel trailer, the Tab Teardrop Camper by New Camp RV stands out as an excellent choice. Ideal for solar or partner travel, this compact trailer doesn't compromise on amenities. It features a wet bath, a kitchen, and a dining area that effortlessly converts into beds. If off-roading is on your agenda, the Boondock package is available, providing essential features like the Boondock aluminum platform, off-road tires, and a heavy-duty entry door step. The convenience package includes a solar roof package catering to the growing community of electric vehicle users. The KZ Durango half-ton RV takes center stage as a fifth-wheel trailer offering unparalleled luxury and versatility. With 8 unique floor plans, this trailer is equipped with a washer and dryer, maple-glazed farmhouse-style carpentry, an electric fireplace, and a double-door refrigerator. KZ goes the extra mile by providing an off-the-grid package, including solar panels for their already solar-ready roof. Whether you're considering full-time traveling or a weekend getaway with the family, the Durango half-ton promises a luxurious and comfortable experience. For families on the go, the Casita Spirit emerges as an excellent lightweight travel trailer option. With the capacity to sleep 3 to 5 people, this trailer offers dinettes that convert into double and single beds. Available in 2 17-foot models, the Spirit provides flexibility for various needs. Casita offers an array of internal and external add-ons, from solar panels to a maintenance toolkit, allowing you to tailor your trailer to match your preferences and requirements. Keystone introduces the Hideout as the perfect travel trailer for first-timers. With several sizes and floor plans, the Hideout features a 3-year limited structural warranty, LTE and Wi-Fi antenna, tinted windows, and high-quality kitchen appliances. While most floor plans are towable by standard cars, the robust design ensures durability, making it capable of sustaining off-road bumps and swerves. The walkable roof and options for SolarFlex solar panels further enhance the appeal of the Keystone Hideout. In the ever-evolving landscape of travel trailers, 2024 promises an array of innovation and luxurious options for avid campers and nomads alike. As the industry continues to push boundaries and embrace new technologies, the adventure on the open road becomes not just a journey, but a luxurious experience tailored to individual tastes and preferences. So which camper did you like the most? Please let us know in the comment section below, and make sure to like the video. Thanks for watching.